So today I'm going to show you how to get started using the new Google Sites. First thing that you're going to do is make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can go to the Apps Launcher and choose Google Sites. From here, you're going to see the old Google Sites. If you have any websites that you created in the old Google Sites, they will be here. And then to launch the new Google Sites, you click on the link right there. To get started, you're going to hit the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner, and you're going to name your website. Right up here in the corner, I'll just name this New Google Site Lesson. So we can change the title. And again, I'll just name it New Google Site Lesson. The first thing I recommend that you do is there's three main areas over here at the top. I recommend you choose themes, and you pick a theme that looks nice and that you like. There's a couple of things that you can do under each of these themes. And let's say I went with this theme, you can change the font style, and you can just kind of click through each one, see which one you like the best. I think this looks nice. You can also change the theme background color. We'll go with blue. So over the header, you're going to see a couple of options. Right now, we have a large banner, or title only. We're under the banner section right now. So I don't really like how that text looks. If you click on the text box, you can drag this over. We can make this a little bit neater looking. There we go. If we don't like the picture in the background, go ahead and click on Change Image. And there's a couple ways you can get pictures. You can scroll through the preloaded images that are here. I'm just going to pick this one for now. But you can also go online and search through Google. You can search through your Google Drive. Or you can upload it by URL, or if it's on your desktop, you can upload it there. So let's go with this picture for the background. This does automatic adjusting for readability, so that's kind of a great feature. So now we have everything kind of in place, and let's get started with our first page. All you got to do on here is double click. So a couple of other things you should note. The Insert tab will give you options on what you can insert in a page, or you can double tap anywhere. And for example, insert text, and this is the first section of our website. Again, always put your mouse over to the right. Notice that there is options here. You can change it to emphasis 1, which looks really nice. There's also an emphasis, this is emphasis 1, the other one's emphasis 2. This kind of breaks up the sections a little bit. You can also highlight the text. You can center it or change it from heading, subheading, or title. So I'm going to go with a subheading. You can add pictures as you go in here. Again, you just kind of double click. Let's push this text box over a little bit. Now we have space here. So double click here, pick an image. I'm going to search, and I'm going to search for so you can go ahead and copy and paste them right in there. So it's kind of nice that you can do that. You can also kind of drag this image around and add another one if you want, or go from there. Let's say I wanted to add a YouTube video. Go ahead and click on YouTube. I can search in YouTube. Let's just say I want to search for the new Google Sites. And we'll see if it pops up. Here's new Google Sites. I'm going to click on this. We're going to select this, drop it onto our website. Drag this in the space, and again we could change the background, and I can kind of put this nice dark background so it stands out. So this is good for my first page. In no time we already have a first page made. The middle tab here is Pages, and I love how simple this is to add a page. You just click on it, you add a page. We'll call this lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 page is made. Go ahead and double tap. And you can change that emphasis so it stands out. Add another page, lesson 2. It can stand on its own. If you wanted to make a folder or another tab to put this in, we can make a page called Lessons for Class. And then if you want to put these inside of that page, you simply drag it over and drop it. So grab it, drag it over. When you see the line, the dark line underneath, you let go, and now that's inside of this tab. You also have options for the pages to either be across the top or along the side. If you hit this wheel, you can do side navigation. I will give you this heads up that you need to go into the preview button to see what that will really look like, to get a good gist of what that looks like on the side. So this is what our website is looking like. If you or your students are working on this as a group, go ahead and hit the plus with the little person. You can add editors on here. So I can, right now it's on private and only I can edit, but I could invite people to edit this if I want to, and they can work on this simultaneously with me. So that's a great feature of any of the Google apps, is being able to work collaboratively. When I am all set to go, and just so you know here, if you have any feedback to give them, like if there's a feature that you wish that you could see on here, go ahead and send them feedback, because this is a work in progress and they're adding more features as they unroll the new Google Sites. But when you are ready to publish this, go ahead and name your website. I'll name it Sandy Blanc, and I'm just going to keep this for anyone within our SAU16.org. I'm going to hit publish, and now it's ready to be shared. So if you click the view button, we can go ahead and view our website. This works great on mobile devices. I just want to add that. Also, let's say that you don't want this site anymore, and you go back to your Google Sites page, and now you have a list of that website did not work out for you. You want to get rid of it. So what do? Click on the three dots and you click on remove, and it will delete. So 3 dots, remove. Much easier than the old version of Google Sites trying to get rid of it in 2 different places. So that's a very quick overview of how to get started using Google Sites. If you would like my assistance to work one-on-one with you or to come into your class, I'm happy to do that if your class wants to try this out. Just give me a call or send me an email. Thanks very much. Bye.